Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. This instructional video provides a structured and precise explanation of how to insert the summation symbol in Microsoft Word using correct and standardized method. The summation symbol is a widely used in mathematics, statistics, economics, engineering, accounting and academic writing, where proper national and clarity are essential. Many users attempt of to type the summation symbol manually or copy it from external sources, which can lead to formatting inconsistencies and alignment issue. This tutorial demonstrates accurate and professional techniques for inserting the summation symbol directly within Microsoft Word, ensuring compatibility with equations, text, form documents. So let's get started. We can see here a document. Now I am insert the summation symbol to this page. Go to the insert menu. You can insert the summation symbol easy here two way. You can insert symbol in symbol option. Here many symbol. Here the summation symbol. You can insert this and increase the size as your choice. Otherwise you can insert the summation symbol, go to the equation, then click this design menu and click the drop down menu, go to the operators, and we can see here the basic and array operator, here the summation. Then select the summation and insert, increase this size. Now we can see we easily putted the summation symbol on Microsoft Word very easily and quickly. I hope you enjoyed the process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.